Good morning, students. Today we will learn about numbers and it is lesson 9 of English grammar. Students, there are two kinds of number, singular and plural numbers. Now, what are singular? Singular nouns which stand for only one person, animal, place or thing. And what about plural nouns? When nouns which stand for more than one person, animal, place or thing. Like boy, singular noun, and boys, plural nouns. Girl, singular nouns, girls, plural nouns. Children, to understand it in a proper way, we will read some sentences. Today is Rinky's birthday. Read on to find out what she has to tell you. For my birthday party, all my friends were invited. My room was decorated with colorful balloons and stars. A cake was brought by my brother. I got many gifts. Jyoti, my friend, gave me a book which I liked the most. Children, here the nouns which are in blue talk about a single thing or a person such as party, cake, book and brother. They all are singular nouns, and the nouns which are in red talk about persons, things which are more than one in number, such as friends, balloons, stars. So, children, if the things are or persons are in one number, they all are singular nouns. And if they are in more than one number, they are plural nouns. Students, now we will discuss that how plurals are formed in different ways. First of all, we will see that we add s to most singular nouns to make them plural, like balloon, balloons, friend, friends, gift, gifts, book, books, tree, trees, girl, girls, table, tables, chair, chairs. Children, we will do some more ways to form plural nouns in our next slide. Students, in this video, I'll tell you how to form plural from singular, and you have to learn very carefully. In last slide, we have seen that some nouns made plural by adding s. Here we see that if the noun ends in s, x, sh or ch, you have to learn these things, beta, that if the nouns ends in s, x, sh or ch, we form plural by adding es. Examples: glass, glasses, box, boxes, bush, bushes, church, churches, dress, dresses, fox, foxes, dish, dishes, bench, benches. We move on next way. Children, when nouns end in y and there is a consonant before y, we drop y and add ies. Means if the word is ending with y and there is a consonant before y, like story, party, duty, we drop y and add ies. Children, vowels are a, e, I, o, u. The other letters apart from these are consonants, as we all know. Here we will see the examples. Party, parties. How we made plural of the party? We drop y and add ies. Likewise, family, families, duty, duties, army, armies, story, stories, ferry, ferries, baby, babies, country, countries. So children, these are the three ways to change singular to plural. Now we will see some more ways. Here, when nouns end in y and there is a vowel before y, we add s only. Children, you have to look carefully. Just before it, we were ending the word with y, but when there is a consonant before y, we were dropping y and adding ies. Here, if the word is ending with y and there is a vowel before y, we have to add s. Here, examples: day, days, key, keys, play, plays, ray, rays, boy, boys, toy, toys, monkey, monkeys, donkey, donkeys, valley, valleys, chimney, chimneys, and many more. Children, we will see some more ways in our next slide. Children, as we have seen some ways to change singular to plural, we will see some more ways. Here, for most nouns ending in f or fe, we form the plurals by changing f or fe into ves. Means if the noun is ending with f or fe, we form the plurals by changing. We have to change f or fe into ves. Examples: calf, calves, half, halves, knife, knives, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, wife, wives, wolf, wolves. Students, some nouns do not follow this rule. Example: chief, then chiefs, roof, roofs, proof, proofs. So you have to learn these things, okay? Now, most nouns ending in O form the plural by adding ears. Examples are buffalo, buffaloes, mango, mangoes, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, mosquito, mosquitoes, and hero, heroes. Here also, some nouns do not follow this rule. Example: photo, photos, radio, radios, piano, pianos. Students, to know about these things or to know about the changes, you have to do lot of practice. After that only you will be able to change, and you have to learn the rules also. Now, there are some nouns which do not follow these rules. Means do not change in plural, like aircraft, aircraft, sheep, sheep, deer, deer, fish, fishes. Children, we write fishes when we mean a variety of fish. Students, we will do exercises of singular plural in our next video. Till then, you have to learn all these different ways to form singular to plural. Thank you.